All right, fantastic. You guys are welcome back. So right now, I am going to demonstrate to you straightforward, step by step, what are the video I made on the whiteboard and explain this ad account, Facebook profile, business manager, business portfolio to you. That is exactly what I am going to explain here again. But then this is a practical demonstration now so that you see exactly what I mean there. So if you look at this now, this is my page. This is my profile, right? Let me use highlighter so that you can understand better. This is my profile. Okay. Now you see this is my name here. This is my name. Now, like I said, a profile has a follow come ad account. It has a follow come ad account. And in a profile, you are able to create two business managers or business portfolios. Like I discussed, we're going to go into it. Then in the business portfolios, you are able to create various assets, right? So this is my this is my profile. Now, in this profile now, okay, in this profile now, if you look at this place, right? If you look at here, there is a small drop down here. This drop down you are seeing, this one, right? That you are seeing. The place I just highlighted. Let me clean it so that you see it properly. That place. You see that drop down, this one that you are seeing. If I click on it now, it will take me to it will show me the various pages, both the one that I have used, both the one that belongs to me or the one that I have access to from my clients. I have worked with some clients like that. So um let me okay, so look at my page here. Let me show you properly. You can see it is this is my profile. This is the profile, right? Now, like I said, if you click here, I'm going to see the various pages that are there. Let's click on it right now. Here we are. So you can see the pages that are here. Let me use highlighter. I want to make sure that everything is understood properly. Let me use highlighter. Okay. Now, if you look at it here, this is my profile, right? Then this one is a page. I have another page with the same name, but you see they have this different image. This one, Muhammad Ilyas Pai, is a page under here. Okay. Now, this one, Farm Villa Resource Center. This is another page, but this one is the page does not belong to me, but I have access to it. That is why you can see it here. I am working is my one of my client from Abeokuta that I am working for Farm Villa Resource Center. This one is for my client. Now you see other profiles. Let me go in there. I show you some other things, some other profiles that are there, right? Let me click see other profile here. Okay. So if you see, you can see there's Spada Connect here, and there's Spada Connect Media, right? Let me be using highlighter. I want to be, you see, there's Spada Connect here. There's Spada Connect Media. All these are different pages, and each time that I am running ad on any of these pages, nobody will know that it is this profile that on that page, right? Nobody will know except if it is related to it. Like this one that is Muhammad Ilyas Pada now, of course, once somebody see this one, you say, yeah, the person that on this profile is on that one. But if I'm running out of Pada Connect, nobody will know that page belongs to the person behind Muhammad Ilyas Pada. If I'm running out of Pada Connect Media, nobody will know. If I have other pages, that is the first thing you should understand. And in a page, you can in a profile, right? You can have as many pages as concerned. Okay, while you and You can have as many pages as consigned in a page. In a profile, you can have as many pages as consigned. So let's get into the business manager now. But first, we have to go to the profile ad account that I say. The fastest way to go into business manager is to choose one of these pages and go into that page. Let me go into this particular page now. I click on this page. This is a page. This is the fastest way to go to a business manager. So now I am in my page, right? This is a page. You can see it is different from the other one that you see. You see, this one is Muhammad Ilyas Para, and this one is not verified, right? This is a page. Now, if you are in a page like this, right? If you come down here, you are going to see more. I want to be using highlighter so that you understand clearly. Can you see this see more? Now, if you are new, you see other pages, you see your shortcut, yeah, they are showing you other pages that you have in your profile, right? If it's a new account and you have not been using it to run ad that much, you are going to see this see more. Let's click on that see more. If I click on this see more now, you are now going to see something very important, which is the most important thing that you should know right now. Can you see it? This is it. Ads manager. This ads manager. Can you see it? Now we are going to click that ads manager, and then it will take us to the first step that I want you to understand. And we are going to click it right now. So let's click on it, and it will take us to the first place. This is ads manager. Fantastic. Fantastic. And we are here. Okay? We are here. Now, if you look at it here, you are going to see campaigns. Then here you are seeing something. I'm going to open it later. Then you see campaign, ad set, ads. I'm going to explain these things in subsequent video. Don't worry, everybody is going to understand it. I'm going to make it very easy, right? Then this particular place that you are seeing here, everything you are seeing here, if you have run ad here, you are going to see all the ads that you run here. They are going to be here, right? Now, this is what we call the Facebook profile ad account. Let me click on it. You are going to see. You see, this is Muhammad Ilyas Bada. This is my Facebook profile, and this is the ad account that I have here. If you click here, you are going to see it here. But can you see here? There is what we call, there's something called business portfolio, and this business portfolio is Bada Group. This one is something that we are now going to go into later. Just don't worry. But remember, I told you that your Facebook profile has an ad account. The first ad account that you meet, which is here, this is the ad account. Now, you only use this ad account to run ad if you have tried everything and it do not work. So this is your last resort. This is your last resort. It's not the first thing you start with. So where are we going to see the ad account, the business portfolios or the business managers that I say you can create up to 2? To get there, let me show you where we go there. To get there, you see, you come here. Can you see these 3 dots that are here at the extreme end? This is the 3 dots that we click. We are going to click that 3 dot right now. So let's click on it. You see, as you click on it, can you see there is all tools? All tools that you need, it is here. Can you see it? Then let's click on it. Now, as you click on it, can you see what is here? Now, this particular place is the all tool. Oh, it has to disappear. If I select highlighter, it will disappear. Let me close it and bring highlighter again. If it can work. No, it will not work with highlighter, so I have to use it that way. So this is all tools. See, everything you are seeing here is what you are going to be using, anything you will be doing. Okay? Everything you see here is what you are going to use. But where are we going? We are going to business settings. Can you see it? Business settings. This is the business settings, and that is where we are going to. So I'm going to click on it right now. If you didn't see it here, it does not necessarily mean that it will be here. Sometimes it will be here, sometimes it will be here. And if you didn't see it, check through here or here, it is also here again. You are going to see. Let me see if I can quickly see it. Business. Okay, you can see it is here again, right? Business settings, it is here again. Just check up here. If you didn't see it early, you can come down any of these places. It is here. Please, it is not in fixed position. All right. Some of you will not. I did not see business settings on my own alive. Okay, so click on business settings. You click on business settings. Now we are going somewhere important. Now we are in business portfolio. That, like I told you, I have two business portfolio in this ad account. You are going to see the two of them will appear, and I will select one. But the one I have is what? Pada Connect Group. And that is why it appear here. Pada Connect Group. This is the only one I have. This is the only business portfolio. So now, inside this business portfolio now, we now have things that we call assets. These are the assets. Can you see them? All these things, they are the assets. Everything you see here, they are the assets. However, it is not all the assets that you are going to be using most time. The most important ones are the page. You can see the page here. You see, they say account, then you have pages, right? Then we have add accounts. Can you see you have add accounts, right? Then if you come down, you are going to see data sources. Inside these data sources is where you are going to see we set up Pixel, we do everything. We're going to do all of them step by step. But now I want you to be familiar with this interface. First, if you are going somewhere, if you know the road to that place, it is going to be much easier. So this is what I want you to be familiar with first. So let's now take them one after the other. Pages. If I click on these pages now, let me click on it. I just click on it, and yeah, and it load. Can you see all the pages that I show you out there? Can you see that they are there? You see the second page, I say Muhammad Ilyas Pada, say Pada Connect Media, then Pada Connect, then Farm Villa Resource Center. You see all those pages are here. Okay, now if you have a page and you do not see that page here, if you have a page and you come here, you do not see it, it means even if you are running ads, you are not going to be able to see that page. What you are going to do is this. What you are going to do is to come here and click this assign people. I'm going to do it in a moment, but I want to show you assign people. You have a page in your profile. You come here, you do not see the page, and you want to use the page to run ad. If you do not see the page here, it means you cannot use it to run ad. You will not be able to use it because you have not assigned people that have access to that page. So let me click this assign people. So I'll show you the things that you are going to see there. Okay. Yeah. So I'll click assign people. Can you see when I say assign people, it brings this up. Say add people and set permissions. Page Muhammad Ilyas Pada. This is the page, right? Now, if you click all here, right, you want to set permission. People that will have permission to this. If you are running ad for companies, for others, this is how they give you permission. Me, I have run ad for companies home and abroad, all over the world, right? When you click here, click select all here. Can you see if you click select all, right? It means you mean all these people, you want them to have permission. If there is someone else that you want him to have permission and the person is not here, you click add person, right? If you click on it, they'll say you should provide the email of the person. Once you provide the email of the person, Then they'll ask you to assign him the level of access. Steps like this, easy steps you'll be able to follow, right? But then we were not trying to assign new person. So you select all, then you now click the level of control you want to give. You will be hearing that somebody is working as social media manager. Yes, this is how they give them access. Do you want the person to be creating content on your page? Do you want the person to be managing your community? Do you want the person to managing messages and calls from your page? Or you want to give the person access to everything, which is full control? So what we do is what? Full control. Now, then you now click assign. This one has been assigned before, but I just do it. Okay, I just do it anyway, just to teach. So you see now access has been given to Muhammad Ilyas Bada. You can see Ilyas Muhammad. I have full control. You see, they say I have full control, which means I can run ad on this page now. That should not be much of your worry. If you want to create another page, or you want to add a page here, you do not see your page here, what you are going to do is to come to this ad. If you come here, you do not see your page here, you come to this place, this ad page, right? Then you are going to click on it. Let me click on it. I'll click on it. Now you see there are three options. One, add an existing Facebook page. If you have a Facebook page in this profile and you are not seeing it here, you are going to add it. Request shared access to a Facebook page. If you are running ad for another person and you want the person to give you access, like the way this Farm Villa Resource Center give me access now, you are going to request access to it. If you want to create a new Facebook page, you create here. You click here. Let me just show you a little bit of it. It's something that you can easily follow on your own, right? And if at any time if you are confused, you can just go to YouTube, type how to create Facebook page, or how to request access to Facebook page, or how to create new Facebook page. They will teach you all. You are going to see it in a 1 minute, 2-minute video, right? The first one, you see, you want to find the page. The first thing is to type the name, right? Let me say my own is Pada Connect. So if I have Pada Connect already, you see they say did not find it because Pada Connect is already here, right? It is already here. But if you type the name is going to appear. Then you are going to click on next. Then they will review, request approval. If it is from another, you see the sequence that I want to follow is here. If it is from somebody else that on that page, they will request a review. They will send a notification to that person that you need access to his page. Did he agree? If he agree, then you will now be accessed. But if it is on this particular profile that you have the page, they will approve it immediately, right? That is when you want to request access to a page. If you want to add existing page, if you want to request access, the same thing. If you want to create a new Facebook page, the same thing. What you need to do, they'll ask you to give it a name. You select the industry. I'm not going to create. Let's say, let me say e-com, right? Then the industry is, let's say e-commerce. If you type e-commerce, the category, or let me just type agro growth, right? Then category now, say agriculture. Where does it belong to? Agriculture, agricultural service, agricultural cooperative, whatever it is. You just select the categories that it belong. Then they'll ask you, this one is optional. You click on next. Then they'll ask you if this page you want to use it for your business. You agree to their time. Everything is set up. This is how to go about page. Then if you come to add account, now this particular page, it has one ad account. Can you see that there is one ad account here? Now if you want to create another ad account, you want to add an ad account, you click here, just like page. If you click on it, I will wish to have done it, but I am not eligible to create a new ad account. Let me just show you this thing. If you want to add an existing ad account, the ad account here, you want to add it here. If you want to request access, just like in Facebook, the same thing. Even if you want to create a new ad account, this is the one that you are going to be more commonly used. let me just put test. Let me just put test. Now, you see this place where they say time zone, make sure it's in, you see it is America, Los Angeles, change it to Lagos. Right? Lagos time, you are in Nigeria. Then you see this currency, you have to change it to Nigerian Naira. You have to change it to Nigerian Naira. You see Nigerian Naira here. If you don't change it, you will not be able to fund your ad account later. And some of these are settings that you cannot change later. So you have to make sure it is in the right currency and in the right time zone. So I'll put Nigerian Naira. Then next, I don't want to create. If you click next, now you see the next page is usage. Do you want to use it for your own business or for another person's business? Always choose your own business. Then the next thing is to confirm. You click confirm and everything will be done. Okay, now we have talked about ad account. The next thing is should have been Pixel, but we will not talk about Pixel here because we are going to discuss extensively about Pixel. So these are the basic information. You see, let me click. You see this this place. If I click on it now, you are going to see that. If I click here, you are going to see I have Pada Connect Media. They say 5 business assets. You see, they say it's business assets, like I told you. Then you see down here, you see create a business portfolio. This Pada Connect group is one business portfolio or the business manager that I told you. Then I have ability to create one more extra. I don't want to create now. But you see, this one already have 5 business assets. If I click on it now, the business assets are the one that we just explore here. We have pages 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we have one ad account, which make it 5. That is why they say it have 5 business assets, like I explained to you in the last video. So in the subsequent, okay, now let me quickly go there. Now, if you want to create an ad, how do? You must make sure it is in this ad account. Can you see ad account? We are in ad account. Now, let me refresh it. You must make sure it is in ad account. Okay. Now, if it is in ad account, you are going to see open in business manager. Can you see it here? Open in business manager, right? Then you click on it. It will now take you to business manager. I told you that day that ad account on its own doesn't run ad until you open it in business manager. So you can see I have 2 ads here, but I have off the ads, right? You can see this is where you are going. This is the engine room where you are going to be creating your ads. Okay, so this place, this create, is where you are going to create ad. So I have, first of all, want to make a video explaining some key concept here on the whiteboard before we go ahead to create ad in subsequent video. So see you there when you are going to explain this in a whiteboard, and you are going to see how things are done over there.